So, which is it? Are the Chinese flipped out about our exploding debt or not? Illinois Congressman Mark Kirk joins us live in Washington. Nice to see you, Congressman.
Thank you for having me.
Okay, you're told one thing about our economy, and apparently the Treasury Secretary is told another.
There was an honesty moment when Secretary Geithner was in Peking University giving a speech. He said, "Your investments in $1 trillion worth of U.S. debt are secure," and the audience laughed at him. That's very un-Chinese to do, to embarrass a speaker in public. But I think it reflected a growing concern in Beijing.
And I guess we should point out the reason why they're concerned, the Chinese, why they care so much, is because they hold a significant portion of our debt.
Right. China has lent about $300 billion to the U.S. for Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac. They're very worried about that. Another $700 billion in Treasury bills. And they're particularly worried about the Fed's new policy of buying Treasury debt, because they're worried that one part of the federal government is buying another part of the federal government's debt. Sounds like printing money, and that means that if you hold dollar-denominated debt, all those investments will be worth less because you'll be repaid in printed dollars. What Secretary Geithner reflected was what the public statements of the Chinese government was, which is they are afraid that if they talk down the dollar too much, their own trillion-dollar investment will be cheapened. But privately, the key concern is, should we buy any more U.S. debt? And over time, what's happening is China is beginning to cancel Congress's credit card, doesn't want to lend much more money to the United States, and especially is worried about the Fed's policy of printing money to buy new debt.
So it isn't that the Secretary